How to overcome burnout and beat fatigue. Hello, I'm Alan Warnitz, a nutrition expert, and I help people restore their health with the use of nutrition and supplementation. And today we're going to dive into a topic that affects many of us, but often overlook, which is burnout and fatigue. If you find yourself constantly tired, and no matter how much time you rest and relax, you still feel tired, then this video is for you. So rest assured, this challenge does not have to be your challenge anymore. Imagine you're driving a car, and no matter how hard you press the accelerator, the car barely responds. It stalls or moves sluggishly. That's what burnout feels like. Your body is running on empty, and your adrenal glands, your body's energy engines, are completely exhausted. Burnout isn't just about being tired. It's frustrating because you can sleep for hours and still wake up feeling drained. Your focus is gone, and you miss out on life's important moments. And the harder you try to push through, the worse it gets. So what's really happening here? When your adrenal glands are overworked, they stop producing the hormones that keep your energy up. Stimulants like coffee or energy drinks may give you a quick fix, but over time you need more just to function. Until they stop working entirely, your body shuts down, leaving you in a cycle of exhaustion. To make matters worse, poor nutrition and toxins from junk food build up around your cells, blocking energy production. Instead of entering your cells, glucose and fat stay in the bloodstream, leading to fatigue, insulin resistance, and eventually serious issues like diabetes. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck in that cycle. You can break free from burnout by giving your body what it really needs. Start by adjusting your diet to 80% alkaline and 20% acid foods. This nourishes your cells and gives them the energy to function properly. And don't forget to stay hydrated with electrolytes. Water alone isn't enough to power your cells. Next, let's talk about the right supplements. To truly recover from burnout, your adrenal glands need support. You can do this with vitamin C, vitamin B5, B3, magnesium, omega-3, and vitamin E. These nutrients help your body rebuild its energy reserves. And if you're looking for an advanced solution to naturally overcome burnout, beat fatigue, and support your body's healing process, I recommend trying the Lifewave X39 patch. This innovative patch works by activating your body's own dormant stem cells, repairing damaged cells, and boosting your overall vitality and longevity. The X39 patch can help improve your cellular energy, making it a fantastic option if you're serious about long-term energy improvement and beating burnout and fatigue for good. These patches use phototherapy to activate your body's mitochondria, your natural energy producers, without relying on stimulants. I've personally seen amazing results with these patches, and they can be a game changer for your energy levels. If you want to learn more about how they work, I'd love to dive into that during a consultation. If this resonates with you and you're ready to beat burnout and restore your energy, I'd love to help. Book a free 30-minute health consultation with me on Zoom, and together we'll create a plan that fits your unique needs. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. I've got over 100 videos that can help you naturally reverse health issues. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.